In this video tutorial, we will look at the Learn button in CES EduPack. Let's open the software. The Learn button is the same in all databases, so we can choose any database. Let's go for Level 2. Now we're presented with the home page. The Learn button is situated in the main toolbar here. Let's click on it to open the Learn Online webpage. Here we can see a search field and tiles which correspond to the different topics covered in this webpage. Let's start looking at the main search function. Let's type in, for example, phase diagrams and select the first result, which is a PDF document titled Teach Yourself Phase Diagrams and Phase Transformations. We can see that the suggested resource is an extensive document on how to read and interpret phase diagrams, including key terminology. It can be downloaded or printed here. Let's now look at the left panel. Let's go to Materials Selection and Selection Methodology. Let's click on the section on calculating performance indices. After the content, there is a generalized explanation of what a performance index is. Then we have two examples on how to calculate performance indices. At the bottom of the document, under See Also, there is a link to the table of performance indices, where we find a summary of the indices depending on the design and which property we want to minimize. If we're dealing with a stiffness-limited design and want to minimize mass, we can click here. This brings us to a performance indices table, which is very useful if we don't want to recalculate the index every time. Another useful feature included in Learn Online is reference. Here we can access the science notes, which explain the fundamental science behind material properties. They can also be accessed from the software itself by clicking on the small eye icon next to a property. In the following video tutorial, we will look at the advanced databases and tools available in CES EduPack.